Dang, ISIS.
We watching Dumpa Truck
by ISIS
Brown.
Boy, she could show Dumpa Truck. The truck can't even hold her.
Oh my God.
She said she can take the butt. She can't do nothing.
Whoa. And she on the ground? She on the ground? She just got mad. She fell?
Is she shaking it?
Oh my God.
This is no homo, but this is nasty. She got a wedgie.
Oh my God.
I think I showed this on backwards too.
Come here. Kids shouldn't watch this. Kids
This
shouldn't
is
watch
inappropriate.
this.
This is inappropriate.
Oh my God.
This is rated
Okay.
R. This is rated
Okay.
R.
Had enough of that. That's mess. That's
So I'm like, you want to slap your mama. Slap your whole generation.
I mean, you were on, like, she's on the ground and just, and whose shirts are those?
She can't fit them. Them are some hand-me-downs, but
People, do not let your kids watch this. This is not good.
I shouldn't be watching it. This is just...
Yeah, you should be watching it. You should. Do not let your kids watch this crap. This is not the business. I can't believe that she would bring herself to all this on YouTube.
Tight
To
pants.
strangers.
You can't get over this tight pants.
Oh my God.
Woo! Woo! That's illegal. It should be illegal.
Dump a truck.
It should be illegal.
Dump a truck.
It should be illegal. Illegal. I'm taking this to
Alright,
Obama.
now cut this off.
I'm taking this to Obama.
We're done.
No, I'm
We're
taking
done
this
with
to
this.
Obama. Deuces.